Hey gearheads, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever felt your car's performance drop, noticed your fuel mileage getting worse, or heard your engine sounding a bit rough, it might be time to give your car some fresh air, literally. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to check and replace your engine air filter. It's one of the easiest, cheapest maintenance tasks you can do, but it makes a big difference. So whether you're a total beginner or just want to save some money, stick around. I promise you'll walk away feeling confident. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Why it matters. First, why bother doing this? An air filter's job is to trap dirt, dust, and debris that are in the air before they enter your engine. If that filter is clogged or dirty, your engine has to work harder to pull in air. That leads to things like reduced acceleration, sluggish throttle response, poor fuel economy. You spend more at the pump. Possible engine misfires or weird noises. More pollution since you're burning fuel less efficiently. Tools and preparation. Here's what you'll need. A new air filter specific to your car, make, model, year. Screwdrivers or socket set. It depends on your airbag's fasteners. Gloves, optional but handy. Maybe a vacuum or a cloth or rag for cleaning the housing. Safety glasses, just in case. Step-by-step removal and installation. Step 1. Remove the filter cover. Unclip or unscrew the housing cover. Some airboxes use clips, some use screws. Be gentle so you don't break anything. If there are hoses or sensors attached, just gently move them aside, but don't force anything. Step 2. Take out the old filter. Pull the old filter straight out. Note how it sits. Orientation, which way the pleats face. You'll want to reinstall the new one the same way. While the filter is out, look inside the housing. Is there lots of dirt, leaves, little pebbles? Step 3. Inspect and clean. Hold the old filter up to light. If you can't see light through it, or if it's dark and clogged, that's a clear sign it needs replacement. Clean the inside of the housing. Wipe with a rag, vacuum if you have one. Make sure no debris is left that can damage or block airflow. Installing the new filter and reassembly. Step 4. Install the new filter. Take your new filter and place it into the housing exactly the same way the old one was. Make sure any rubber gasket or seal is seated properly so there are no gaps. A soiled, tight fit matters for good performance. Double-check orientation. Some filters have an arrow showing direction of airflow. If your filter has that, align it properly. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Step 5. Reassemble. Put the cover back on, reattach screws or clips. If there were sensors or hoses moved, resecure them. Make sure everything is tight, but don't over-torque screws. Plastic can strip. And step 6. Final checks. Close the hood, start the engine, listen for anything unusual. Sometimes if the housing wasn't sealed well, you might hear whistling or extra air noise. If that happens, double-check the fit. When and how often, plus tips and common mistakes. As I mentioned earlier, check and replace every 12,000 to 30,000 miles, or roughly once per year under normal conditions, but if you drive in dusty areas or off-road, sooner. Always buy the correct filter. Don't just pick any generic one. Look up your car's model and year. Ensure the filter dimensions match. Don't force anything back in. If a clip doesn't snap or a screw doesn't fit, something is misaligned. Keep the old filter for comparison. It's a simple way to see if you replaced it at the right time. And that's it. Fresh air for your engine. Better performance, maybe even saving a little at the fuel pump. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next car DIY guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car tips that actually save you time and money. Hit that bell so you never miss an update, and drop a comment if there's something you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time under the hood.